Hello everyone, welcome to Coding with Kids channel. Today video we will discuss about how to get second largest number in an array. There is a predefined array in Java Spring Boot, and our task is get the second largest number in a given array. In previous video, no, we last two videos we discussed about the arrays. In everyone know how to define an array. In these steps we will first define our array. Array name array1 equal curly bracket question mark. We are define array element 2 32 12 45 67 4 34 78 80. No, enough. This is our predefined array. We are going to find second largest number in this array. In this array, we can find our solution. Largest number is 89 and second largest number is 78. Our result will be 78. In this video series in Stream Root Java, first I'll define the here uh, method in the main class. In our application class, the main method there. This is our main method. Other than the main method, we will call the second method and call second method in main method. Okay, we are going to define main method public static int. What is our method? Find second largest number, and it's a basic concept of the method definition. What is the parameters for the pass method? Is our predefined array integer array. The type and array. Yeah. So okay, it's 5. And we want to implement our method. In this is a not a void method, this is a static int method. There is a return type. What want to the return value is the our second largest number. That is the value. Return that value. We want to define these values in what is in our code implementation. We want to define highest value and second largest value for the comparison purpose. Int highest number equal integer dot mean value. This is a mean value. Initial value is mean, and second parameter is second largest value. It's saying also integer, the mean value. And we want to iterate our array via for loop. This is our, everyone know how to iterate for loop. In previous videos we do that. What is the condition of the for loop? Int equals 0, I smaller than array size, array list, 10 iterator, I plus plus. And inside the for loop we define our condition to find the largest number. Condition if the condition our array iterated value I greater than our highest number, array iterated value greater than our highest number, assign second largest number to our highest number. Highest number, then highest, sorry, then highest number will be assigned array value. Simple logic. Then we move to the else if condition. Else if condition, array iterated value greater than our second largest number and it not equal to our highest number. Other than it equal is repeated. No, yes, we are going to develop that to not repeated. If this condition is true, our second second largest number will be assigned array iterated value. That is all our logic. Then return our second largest number. And now we are going to call our method inside our main method. Calling method in second largest num equal find second largest number method. What is the pass parameter? It's array 1. Then we want to print our result. Out println second largest number in an array. The result, yes, we know our result will be 78, but the largest number is 89, second largest number is 78. Now we are going to build our application. Maven package install. Now project is building. Project build and then run to our application. Maven spring boot. Project is started successfully. Spring boot project. Our result will be printed. Second largest number in an array is 78. Our program working successful. So simple logic. You can practice. You can change these values and rerun and get the different values but correct result. Yes. Today's session is over. Thank you for this watching this video. We will meet next video for new thing to study. Thank you.